Bonita. Hello. I always have my hair so messy on vlogs and on videos. I get lazy to do my stuff. But look, I was doing laundry most of the morning, and now I'm on the girls' clothing. I did mine. My husband's already. But these little ones are the ones that actually take the most because they're tiny, and I know. But I put all of the suits like this in hangers and put them in their closet. This is for baby Layla and Luna's clothes. I put them in little bins. If you haven't watched my closet organization video, you should. Then you will see how I arrange their clothes. But that's what I'm doing this morning. And then I found this new vlogger on YouTube. It's like she's Mexican, but she married a Japanese guy, so they have 2 kids and they're living in Japan, but her vlogs are in Spanish and in Japanese. So it's really interesting. So I'm watching that one. I can't remember what their name is. It's Ruthie Beauty and Vlogs, I think it's what it's called. Yeah. So I'm gonna go finish doing my laundry, folding, while baby Layla is sleeping and Luna is being a mischievous little girl. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that. Luna is Superman, she says, right? Oh, she has her cape and her boots. Look, she has her cape from forget her name, but Harley Quinn. But she has it inside out, and then she's Superman. Go. Superman. Yeah. His face. Now you're happy? No. Oh, careful.
Yo te traigo esta bomba puertorriqueña. Yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que gocen! Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Bomba, bomba, está presente. Aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza. Mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
So yesterday we went to the flea market, but I already had shown you the flea market the weekend before, so I didn't record much. But I wanted to show you the gifts that I got for Mother's Day from my nieces. This was given to me by Montserrat, and it's a wall art, and it's a pig. She actually showed me when she was in the store, and I was like, oh, where did you found it? And you guys know I have a pig. His name is Ramon. So this will go extremely nice in my hobby room, soon to be like actually organized. And this one was given to me by Stephanie. It's a turtle. I love turtles. It doesn't have the thing here on the back, but I'm pretty sure it was from the wall art production as well. And it's like a canvas kind of thing. It has a turtle, and I also was given a ring pop, but I already ate that. But yeah, I was given that by my nieces. My roses, these were actually given to me May 10, like Mexican's Mother's Day, by my husband. These ones were given by my niece, but look at that, like lilac and red roses with this other rose, really nice. This rose was given to me by my niece, and my husband also gifted me, but I put it over here so she can get the sun. These hedgehog plant. It's a, I have no idea what it's called, but it's a hedgehog, and it has little flowers. I don't know what it is, to tell you the truth, the name of it, but it looks like they're going to be blooming anytime soon, sometime. But look, they're so pretty, and I love the little pot. They have my favorite color, and it has a little like sunflower. I put it here so it gets some sun. Yes, love it. And look at this little witch here. Hi, little witch. What are you doing with my box? Yeah, I just want to clarify that part, and I'll catch you guys later. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Right, Luna? Bye.